Namo Namaha. Today we are going to solve 5 questions of Suchana Nusaram Kritihi Kurut with some key points which are asked in 2022. Well, let's begin this Q&A session with this question. Here, given instruction is Purvakal Vachak Dvanta Avyam Nishkasayat. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Identify main verb of a sentence. Step number 2. Recognize Dvanta or 11th Avyam and then change it into verb form according to main verbs Lakaraha, Purushaha and Vachanam. And step number 3, add cha avyam before charan dandaha. Let's see. Here, this ending halantata indicates lang lakaraha, parasmai padam, pratham purushaha, ek vachanam. Let's move to our second step. Here, this ending twa suffix indicates tvanta avyam. Now, we are going to change this tvanta avyam into verb form according to main verbs lakaraha, purushaha and vachanam, which will be a shrunot. Let's move to our final step. Add cha avyam before charana dandaha. Please note here, after anuswaram, if there is any vowels, then anuswaram becomes halantama. Here, after anuswaram, a vowel has come. That's why here anuswaram becomes halantama. So, our sentence will be Tayoho vivadam ashrunot sudaso vyamrushat cha. Let's move to our second question. Here, given instruction is lam lakare parivartayat. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Identify main verb of a sentence. Step number 2. Change its lakaraha with its number and person according to given instruction. Let's see. Here, yayo is main verb of a sentence which is lit lakaraha, parasmai padam, pratham purushaha, ek vachanam. Now, according to given instruction, we are going to change this lit lakaraha into la lakaraha. Let's see its structure. First, take a letter, then add base verb with vikaranam of main verb, which will be ya. Then take specific suffix of lam lakaraha according to main verbs purushaha and vachanam, which will be halantatta. And this together become a yata. Please note here, after anuswaram, a vowel has come. That's why this anuswaram becomes halantama. So, our sentence will be Rakshasebhyaha Janakasya Sutam Ritva Puri Ayata. Let's move to our third question. Here, given instruction is Tvam Sthane Bhavan Yojayat. Let's see its key points. A verb form of any sentences always changes according to subject's number and person, which is known as subject-verb agreement. Let's see. Here, according to given instruction, Tvam is replaced by Bhavan. Now, our subject, Bhavan, is third person singular form. That's why this ending shri suffix is replaced by the under the rule of subject-verb agreement. So, our sentence will be Bhavan prayatnena krushikaryam karoti. Let's move to our fourth question. Here, given instruction is Nijantam Kurut. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Change Lat Lakaraha into Nijanta Lakaraha. Step number 2. Change nominative case into objective case, or if there is any exceptional verbs such as pachati, likhati, gayati, nayati or nayate, then change nominative case into instrumental case. And step number 3, take given word before objective or instrumental case. Let's say here nashyati lat lakaraha is replaced by nashayati in nijanta. Let's move to our second step. Here nominative case is replaced by objective case andhakaram. Now let's move to our final step. Here given word suryaha comes before objective case andhakaram. So our sentence will be suryaha andhakaram nashayati. Let's move to our fifth question. Here given instruction is Vakyam Bahuvachane Parivartayat. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Identify main verb of a sentence with its number and then change it according to given instruction. Step number 2. Recognize nominative case with its number and change it according to given instruction. Let's see. Here in this sentence there is no verb form. That's why let's move to our second step. Here aham and snatakaha, these two words are in nominative case. Now according to given instruction, aham is replaced by vayam and snatakaha is replaced by snatakaha in plural form. So our sentence will be Vayam Vanijyashakhayaha Snatakaha. Well, in this way we have seen this Q&A session of Suchana Nusaram Kritihi Kurut. And that's it for this lesson.